How to program career affirmations. There are many ways to boost your career path trajectory, but there are no ways more powerful than career affirmations to achieve your career, money, and relationship goals. Hi, my name is Larry LaFada, and I am the founder of DefineYourCareer.com. As a career development coach, I utilize affirmations for every client. They are just that good of a tool, and you're going to learn to use them properly in this video. I'm going to share 6 steps I use to program affirmations so you can attract career and money abundance. Okay, so first off, what are affirmations and how do they work? Affirmations are a statement of faith beliefs that you recite with great desire to manifest what is already yours by divine right. You repeat these affirmations for 4 to 6 weeks. Over time, they become accepted by your subconscious mind as real. Your mind then communicates to the universal superconscious, who opens the door to supply you with the people, the places, things, and the events you are meant for. Affirmations done correctly include visualization and self-talk programming. They all work together to help you manifest what you want. Next, what exactly is a career? A career is a network of professional relationships that define your success and earnings power. So your career affirmations must be geared to increase your personal power in order to strengthen your standing in these relationships. This can happen very quickly for you because career affirmations strengthen how you see yourself and your relationships. When you change how you look at the world, you change how the world looks at you. All of a sudden, the world will assist you now because you're ready to receive. Let's get started on how to properly compose your personal career affirmations by following these 6 steps. First, an affirmation is stated in the present tense, as if it is being achieved right now. Your subconscious mind lives in the now. It's a survival mechanism. The present tense is the only language it comprehends. Wrong way. I desire a marketing job that pays $80,000 a year. Right way? I'm a social media marketing pro who makes $80,000 per year. 2, affirmation needs to be in the simple, clear, to-the-point, concise language. So the wrong way is, I want a career that is a celebration of my individuality. Subby is saying, huh? Right way is, I'm a green energy entrepreneur. 3, affirmation must be stated in the positive. Your subconscious does not understand no. When you tell Subby, I don't want or no, it doesn't understand. The wrong way, I'm no longer a partier. Right way, I am sober. 4, affirmation must be in the form of a specific visual image. Your subconscious thinks in pictures and images, not words. So you need clear, specific descriptions with detail. Wrong. I desire $1 million, right? I earn $80,000 per year as an accountant. 5, affirmations must engage as many of your 5 senses as possible with as much desire as possible to build urgency. Infuse your affirmations with deep feeling, strong desire, and urgency. See your affirmation clearly. Hear the sounds of it, taste it and smell it, experience it, expect it to manifest. The more powerfully you engage your senses, the more powerfully Subby will go after it. Right way, I have tremendous feeling of joy and prosperity in my new fresh food restaurant. I feel thrilled and excited helping diners to enjoy their sushi in a modern atmosphere. 6, you'll need to repeat affirmations for 3 to 4 weeks to instruct them into your subconscious. And then it will go to work 24/7 to connect to the universal superconscious, infinite intelligence, whatever you want to call it, on your behalf until your affirmations manifest. Here are examples of career affirmations as a starting point. Career role affirmation, I am the top real estate agent in Northern Ohio, making $250,000 per year. I really enjoy my work and I feel like I'm on top of the world. Another career role affirmation might be, I enjoy great wealth of $800,000 a year and tremendous job satisfaction as a green energy startup in Hawaii. Career Action Step Affirmation. I get right to work on my career action plan for 1 hour each morning at 6:30 a.m. Career Peacefulness Affirmation. I'm increasingly calm, confident, and relaxed when answering questions from my manager, especially in our weekly marketing results meeting. Career Action Affirmation. With 4 deep breaths, the urge to slack off passes away. Career Social Media Affirmation. My desire to post angry comments on social media, to posts that don't agree with my worldview, vanishes by drinking a sip of water or eating a piece of celery. Try creating several of your own affirmations that work for you. You can use affirmations in many ways. Recite them whenever you want to excel in your career, to increase your earnings or deal with a strategic flaw. If these career affirmations are helpful to you, I cover them in more complete detail in my Career Destiny home study courses and workshops. I offer 3 ways to define your career destiny. You can define your career destiny. It's a 1-week home study course which identifies what career is right for you. Career Destiny Fast Track takes it a step further. It's a 3-week lifetime career action plan. And I also offer Career Destiny Workshop for friends, where together with friends you can build a business or joint venture. All courses include hands-on career coaching to help you get your best results. Please like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel for future videos on defining your career destiny.